In 2022, we started our Lauhal Valley visit from the Forest Rest House, Chandigarh. This is our team. Due to breakdown of our Innova Krista car, we had to change to Mahindra Marajo and had to take a overnight stop at Mandi. We had planned to take breakfast in Kullu area and enjoy the beauty of Kullu and then pass through Manali and take lunch in Johnson's Cafe, and thereafter we reached to visit Atal Tunnel and Sissu Waterfall, which was our dream. We stopped at a roadside dhaba in Kullu, and from there Buntar airport was visible. Then we reached Manali and had a lunch in Johnson's Cafe and Restaurant. It is a very beautiful place to stay here, and I had seen this place in Jeep Bollywood Trail, and since then I was hoping to have lunch someday here in this restaurant. After lunch, we reached the south portal of Atal Tunnel, and for a while we stopped there for photography. This is 9 kilometer long tunnel. We came out of the north portal of Atal Tunnel and we crossed the Chandra River. Chandra River meets the Bhaga River after some distance, and it makes the Chandrabhaga River, which is also called Chinar. After traveling for some distance towards the left side, we reached Sissu village. This is Ashwarya who accompanied me to Sissu waterfall.
Cross the bridge and we will go to Sissu waterfall. It will take about 30 or 40 minutes, and I and Ashwarya are going, and my 3 party members are staying back here. They have lost their courage to walk up to the waterfall.
Unfortunately, this bridge was washed away in the deluge in the year 2023, and now there is only one way to cross the Chandra River, and that is by the zip lining. After crossing the bridge on the Chandra River, we found that there are two ways to reach the Sissu waterfall. One was by crossing the stream of Sissu waterfall through a bridge made up of the two wood logs, but it was quite risky. We found that some people, particularly a girl, was trying to cross the log bridge, but it was very risky. So we decided not to go through this way, and we decided to walk to Sissu Falls through a longer way. We also advised the people who were crossing the woodlog bridge, but they didn't follow our advice after some effort in which they failed. Then we had to climb the rise, and there we found that broccoli farming was. And this is the last base camp. Here are some water and cold drink shops, and from here we will directly go to the waterfall. You can see waterfall from here. Many people are sitting here and removing their tiredness. I also took water there and had some rest in midway. This is a glacial waterfall. You can see mist mixing with the air, and there is runoff water going down. And that's the river and bridge which we had crossed. This is the Sissu waterfall. We have reached it. Mist is in the air, and a number of people have reached here. They are quite young. I am the only oldest person reaching here, but I am an old young man.
Yes. This Sissu lake in front of me.
कुछ उस पार मेरा भी है कुछ इस पार तेरा भी
We have got a jungle of ecosystem plant, and these are very beautiful plant. You can see here, you can see nodes and internodes, and so plenty of vegetation is here, and I am feeling tempted to collect these plants. Okay, I am looking for cone, but they are in vegetative phase. There is no cone. I am showing you close up. I photographed some angiospermic plants which were in flowering. Their names are mentioned in the photographs.
है जो अधूरी बात हमारी एक दूजे से पूछेंगे है जो अधूरे नगमे हमारे आज ही पूरे लिख देंगे एक बार फिर से कोशिश I collected some ecosystem arvens plants in vegetative phase to bring to our university. Bridge on Chandra River. Very soon we will reach the north portal of Atal Tunnel, and it is a very beautiful sight, and most of the tourists stop here for a while and have a number of photographs. We also stopped here and have some beautiful clicks of our team members, and thereafter we started for Manali to the tunnel. After visiting Sissu Waterfall, we went to Kelong and stayed in Dongkhong guest house. From there we went to Baralacha Pass and Udaipur and then returned.